Hi, my name is Katalin Vojko and I'm a system engineer with N2W. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a storage repository for AWS. First, head to storage repositories on the left-hand side, then click the New button and AWS Storage Repository. You will be prompted to input a name, a description, and select the user and an AWS account for which you want to create this repository. After that, you will be seeing a drop-down list with all your S3 buckets from within that AWS account. So you can select one of them and then proceed to enable immutability if you want. To be able to enable immutable backups, you need to have created the S3 bucket with object lock, versioning, and encryption. And then you can select immutable backups in here and choose between legal hold and compliance lock. Legal hold is the equivalent of governance in the object lock settings of your S3 bucket, which means anyone with admin privileges will be able to go and edit and remove the legal hold. The compliance lock, however, if you choose that one, nobody will be able to change it, even if you are the admin. So this will be much safer in case of a breach in your AWS account, since nobody will be able to delete the objects that have compliance lock on them.